Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you parents out there, the Primo Pop-Up Folding High Chair. This isn't just any high chair, it's the best folding high chair you can find. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's a game changer for busy parents. Let's kick things off with the Primo Pop-Up's standout feature, its compact design. This high chair folds down to just 4 inches thick. That means it takes up minimal space in your kitchen or wherever you need it. Say goodbye to bulky high chairs cluttering up your home. And speaking of convenience, the Primo Pop-Up is incredibly portable. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for mealtime away from home. Whether you're visiting friends or family, this high chair has you covered. Now, let's talk about your baby's comfort. The Primo Pop-Up features a soft, padded leatherette seat and a secure 3-point safety harness. Your little one will be comfortable and safe while they eat, play, and engage during mealtime. We all know that mealtime can be messy, but cleaning up doesn't have to be a hassle. The Primo Pop-Up comes with a removable top-rack dishwasher safe tray, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, the leatherette seat is simple to wipe down, so you can keep it looking great. No one wants to spend extra time fussing with a high chair during mealtime. With the Primo Pop-Up's quick one-button folding design, you'll have it ready to use or packed away in less than 10 seconds. And the best part? It comes fully assembled right out of the box. Safety is paramount when it comes to high chairs, and the Primo Pop-Up doesn't disappoint. It features a secure 3-point harness and stable legs that ensure your baby can't wiggle their way out or tip over the chair. It's suitable for children aged 6 to 36 months, with a maximum weight of 35 pounds. Plus, it's made BPA, phthalate, and lead-free for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the Primo Pop-Up Folding High Chair is a modern, minimalist, and highly functional high chair that's perfect for today's busy parents. Its compact design, portability, and ease of use make it a top choice for families on the go. If you're interested in getting your hands on the best folding high chair in the market, click the link in the description below to purchase the Primo Pop-Up Folding High Chair on Amazon. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.